Hello guys and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to start with the unboxing of my voiceover microphone, which I have a few people to thank for. Some of the members of a group I'm part of called Snail Mail for All, check us out on Facebook if you can, clubbed together to pay for this microphone, which I am super grateful for. So thank you guys. Then my husband Mike had to purchase a phantom power pack which didn't come with it. And that is why this video has taken so long to produce, so thanks to him also. Right, so here it is in its original packaging from Neewer, ordered off of Amazon by the lovely Amie Webster. It arrived in just a couple of days, which is awesome. I am being quite neat about it, not something I normally do, but it's just in case the mic has to go back for any reason. Now let's grab some scissors and get this open. So let's snip the tape on the sides. And voila, it's open. Packaging looks really neat, which I like. First to come out of the box is the pop filter and the adjustable suspension scissor arm. Place that carefully over here. Lifting the protective piece out of the way, you can now see the instructions and the metal shock mount. Let's grab that shock mount. Looks and feels really strong. We'll take these instructions out of the way. Just opening it here to give you a quick glance of those instructions. Removing this cardboard, which as you can see has the 3.5mm male to XLR female cable and the condenser microphone. Just going to pop the microphone out its sleeve here for you to see. Looks perfect to me, love the size and the weight of it. Logo is printed nicely there on the front. Popping that to one side, the last piece in the box is the table mounting clamp. So there we have it, instructions for you. Let's turn them round and give you a better look. Simple to follow, you have the contents of the box and each step to help you set the microphone up. Here is the microphone again. Oops, let's turn it around and try and get it to stay still. It's trying to roll away from me. There we go. Out comes the pop filter and also a ball type anti-wind foam cap. And lastly, getting out the adjustable suspension scissor arm. That's it, all the pieces there for you to see. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, a phantom power pack was purchased. Here is a photo of that. I love the vibrant blue and it's very light and portable. So that's the end of my first video. I hope you found it helpful. Please leave some comments. I am open to criticism, but don't be too harsh. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.